Hi, how are you doing today? We're going to draw a flower named calla lily. Calla lily. Let's start the drawing. First, we draw the outlines in the middle. Then we draw a curved line like this. It's circular in shape, and extend this line up to this. Then we connect another line on top of it, make the curves and connect in the end. In the bottom, we draw a outline like this. From left, draw another line and connect here. Let's draw another line and connect here. We can extend the line up to this, draw another line up to this. We can draw the leaves like this here, another leaf on the left side. Okay, so this is the basic shape of the drawing. Let's put this color here. And the shades looks like red, coming from the edge and distributed to the middle. Also from top, reds coming like this and distributed here. Here, let's put the red in this circular shape and distribute along the outlines. This is also shaped to the outlines, which we did the previous drawing. So all the reds we see are radially distributed. Let's put the green part at the bottom. The green part, it's holding the flower on top. So the leaves we see here. All right, let's do few details for the leaves here. We can put few racks like this. Also, we can do few details to these joints here. Also make this curve little darker. All right, so the flower, it's almost done. I hope you guys like the video. Please do the practice and subscribe the channel. Stay with us. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.